We are pleased to show you the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.